Hey guys, this is LOGIK's Soundbar testing the sound quality. Testing the sound quality. Testing the sound quality.
Before you, I was paralyzed, all broken down from heartbreaks. Then you came and set me free.
Increase the volume.
You've taken me to paradise, where nothing is a mistake, where we move so flawlessly. You know the things you do to me, touch me and I'll make you understand.
LSB 2020B21 compact soundbar. Beautiful.
Dance with you. Let me take you under, where nobody can see. I just wanna dance with you. Harder than a summer, so put your hands on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me, on me, on me, on me.
This is LOGIK Soundbar, Bluetooth soundbar. We are testing LOGIK Soundbar using Epidemic sound. So guys, thought to show you this gear. It deserves your attention. It's a Bluetooth soundbar.
But I'm getting so impatient. Tell me that you're ready now. This room is big enough for two, and I wanna do that something that will blow your mind. Do you know the things you told me?
So this is the instruction.
Do you know the things you make me feel? I can show you if you take my
LOGIK 2.0 soundbar. It's Bluetooth. Remote control, power, auxi, optical, USB, coax, Bluetooth indicator. The red is standby mode, blue is Bluetooth. You can see the blue color is the Bluetooth, and green is auxi, purple is optical mode, yellow is coaxial mode, and white is USB. Okay, so at the moment it's connected via Bluetooth. We're connected with the laptop, playing Epidemic sound, testing the music. This is LOGIK. The power output is 24 watts RMS power output and 50 watts peak power. And this is the remote control. You increase the volume using the remote control. You can also switch it off and on using the remote control. This is nice. So testing the music. From the remote control, So this is the on and off. Okay, then increase the volume. Up and down arrow is the volume. Sideways is button. Skip previous track or Bluetooth. So you skip previous track or you search from Bluetooth to auxiliary cable using this arrow, sideways arrow. Okay, so arrow number 4 is auxiliary in button. So if you press this button, is auxiliary mode. Then 6 is to pair Bluetooth, okay, device. Okay, and the 7 is silence the unit. So you silence the unit from the 7. 8 is pause. Okay, so you pause from here. Okay, so right now we're going to check another music mode to test. So test another music mode. Okay, so the information is pack is included, whereby you check various function. Okay, and battery replacement is using CR2025 3 volts lithium battery. Okay, which if you check my video, you see how we remove the battery. Okay, and this is nice. Increase the volume right here. This is LOGIK compact soundbar, testing the sound quality for this LSB20B21 soundbar, 2.0 channel soundbar, Bluetooth device. Testing the sound quality using Epidemic sound. So what we are doing is testing the sound quality. So in here is where you plug it on. USB cable, auxiliary go in here. All the cable goes in here. Okay, so here is the optical cable that's included with the packaging for you to connect it to your television. Very nice. The information is here at the back. LOGIK. LOGIK Soundbar. This gear deserves your attention. We are testing the music quality of this gear using Epidemic sound. This is the remote control. With a battery is included. And also you have wall mounts included in the packaging with the information pack. Nice. LOGIK compact gear, it deserves your attention. Thank you very much, guys. I thought to show you this gear. This is LOGIK compact soundbar. Thank you and stay blessed.